Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the unboxing of a video making kit. The model number is AY49. I got this off Temu, and I want to go ahead and share it with you. Now, if you're into small video making, such as doing small videos, or maybe small conference videos, or anything that works into your favor, such as interviews, etc., this works for you. Now, to professional photographers, once again, y'all upgraded y'all systems or y'all camera gear to where it is functional for you by buying high-end stuff, such as tripods, body stabilizers, equipment and stuff, etc. Now, this is just for home use only. If you're working at home and you got your a small setup and you don't want all that bulkiness equipment all around, then this might work for you. Alrighty, what comes in the box, you get your tripod stand, you get your LED flash cam light, you got a microphone, and you got a smartphone universal holder mount. One thing about it, the presentation of the box look good. You know, you cannot go wrong with how the box look. You know, great presentation. You know, like I said, you get all the items listed in the box. And let's open it up, because this is my first time unboxing it, and I'm going to unbox it with you. All right. And yes. Alrighty. As always, like I always say, and a lot of people don't do this here. If you don't know what you're doing, refer to your instructions. Very simple, very easy. It ain't gonna take you that long to read it and go through it. You get your 3.5 audio jack. You get the tripod itself. Okay. You get the nice microphone. That's the main reason what made me go ahead on and purchase this is the microphone. But the thing is the microphone any good? I'll be doing a video test with that to go ahead on there and let y'all know if this microphone any good or not. Look like it's just a standard regular microphone. I don't see no connections of charge ports or anything, so but I'll be going over that soon. Your stretchable universal smartphone holder, as well as your LED flash. Now the thing I don't like about it is that it carries batteries, 2 AA batteries, so y'all keep that in mind. I wish they would have ran head on and charged it up. And if you want to go ahead on and use it as that, you could go ahead on and put your microphone on top of it, like this. And then if you're using it as a phone, you connect this up here. If you're filming in dark or anything like that and you need a place of light, it looks like this. Can't go wrong with it. So it looks good, clean. I guess that's how far the stand goes, but I guess there we go. You gotta push both these in. You got buttons on the side that you push in to raise it up and to bring it back down to level. So here, 2 push buttons on the side, elevator up. if you want to go ahead on and film in this mode here. Other than that, it's a pretty good setup. And you can't go wrong with that at all. Now, just like I said, I will be testing out the mic to figure out what do you need to put into it. So like I said, the instructions is right here. Please refer to it, and I will be with the final conclusion of this setup here, the AY49. Is it good or not? All right, everybody, I'm testing it out right now. I'm using the light as well as the mic with it. I'm using my cell phone to record here, so I'm in this dark little area, and so far the light is bright. Once you go ahead and you click the mode in the back, it goes bright. So yes, the light is pretty much decent. Y'all excuse my sweaty shirt, but I'm filming everything out right here. So right now the light is bright. That's the brightest it goes. And that's the dimming it goes. It got two modes, bright and dim. And then you're supposed to turn it off, but for some reason, my light is damaged. So that's the downside of it. I got a defective light, so we're supposed to click it for high light, low light, and then it goes off. When I click it off, it do not go off. I'm also using the mic as well. And the last mode I'm going to be using is I'm going to go ahead and get my Temu DC101 camera, and I'm going to go ahead and set up everything there and close it out what I think of the kit. All right, everybody. I'm doing my conclusion of the video of the AY49 video photography kit. The kit is okay for use with your cell phone. The microphone is not a boom mic. It's just straight mono mic. You got no power switching or anything. So when I connect it to my DSLR camera here, which is the Temu DC101, it is not picking up the audio too well. You can hear yourself, but you get this little over it. So it is not good for DSLR camera. You need a boom mic with a power source to turn it on and turn it off. Also, if it's rechargeable, has a rechargeable battery and the boom mic, you're good to go. This mic here only works good for your cell phone. I used it on my cell phone in the videos I did. It came out perfectly great. I did it with another video I did with the unboxing of the ASRock H61M VG4 motherboard. It works great for that. Only for a cell phone. When it comes to DSLR camera, it does not work for that. I tried it multiple times. That was like my fourth or fifth take I did with it. It is horrible. The microphone on the camera sounds pretty good. Then this here, once you connect everything up, as you see here. Now this here goes to my other my camcorder I have, and that works great with that boom mic because it's a rechargeable boom mic that brings out the audio perfectly and clear. But this mic here, as you see, is crap. Just like I said, I'm not going to demoralize it. It is good for using with your cell phone when you do videos with that. Yes, and basically, just to be honest with you, I still use my cell phone. So, would I recommend the camera kit? Yes, only for home use if you don't like carrying bulky equipment as these expensive cameras that a lot of professional videographers are carrying now and filmographers. So that will be my conclusion of the AY49 video photography kit. Will I recommend it? Yes. If you like using your cell phone, trust me, a lot of content creators still use their cell phone because that works for them, and they ain't had to spend $3,000 to $12,000 on a camera kit plus. Because you get the more the expensive the lens, the more expensive the camera, the more you pay out your pocket. But if you are getting into filmography, then that's what you have to do. You have to buy a lot of equipment just to go ahead on and make the film, or you're doing music videos. So, home use for the A149 video photography kit, yes. Professional use, no. The microphone is kind of crappy. I'll be putting the link in the description, affiliate links, to go ahead on and buy a boom mic if you need a boom mic. Now, there's plenty of boom mics out there, but I'm going to go ahead and put the best ones on a budget factor, because who wants to spend a lot of money? No more than about $80. That's my price point. No more than about $80 for a nice good boom mic you could use for doing interviews, etc. If you're out doing food tasting in restaurants and stuff, you can use that as well too. You also have different cameras you can use. Now the DC 101 by Famibo is okay because I'm using it to close this video out. So you got to be in perfect lighting with this camera here. If you're not in perfect lighting, then it's going to be crapola. So that's all I have to say about the AY49 videography kit. So if you want to buy it, it's up to you. I take a chance with it, like I always do. I take a chance with a lot of stuff that I can use and be happy with. But in this note, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a thumbs down for DSLR cameras, but I give it a thumbs up if you're just only using your cell phone. The mic works great for that as well too. So the mic works great for cell phone use because you don't need that much to operate your cell phone. You know, everything is picked a real spot on. But for DSLR cameras, I want to thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe. Peace.